Hey, this is NK Fabio here to show you the mirror from Hot Wheels. It's the Factory Fresh series. I mean, it's not bad. Yeah, I know it's similar to the Barger, the emira and Barger. They're quite nice. Like nice lotuses, quite nice. It's not bad. Roof is a little bit like, it's got like a texture thing, and it's all one piece. That, I mean, it looks nice. I mean, it is well molded. I know they did this one, done it really nice. And the back of it looks nice and all that. Yeah, wheels and all that. And the interior. And that's it. Yeah, doing my other channel, I mentioned that in the other vid. Mentioned that in the other vid. And yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching.